Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we are diving deep into the future of foldable smartphones, focusing on what promises to be a groundbreaking release in 2025, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This device is set to redefine innovation in the foldable smartphone market, boasting larger displays, cutting-edge software, and exceptional camera upgrades. Let's explore every exciting detail of what could be the most advanced foldable smartphone to date. The evolution of foldable smartphones. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series has consistently set the bar for foldable technology. With each new model, the series has pushed the boundaries of what's possible, combining sleek design with powerful performance. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, expected to launch in mid-2025 during a Galaxy Unpacked event, continues this tradition of excellence. Following the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which debuted in July 2024, this new iteration promises significant advancements in both hardware and software. Samsung's commitment to innovation has kept its foldable lineup at the forefront of the industry. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 aims to refine and elevate the foldable experience, making it more accessible and practical for users worldwide. A new standard in foldable design. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to introduce major design enhancements, starting with a larger outer cover screen. Expanding from 6.3 inches to 6.5 inches, the upgraded display will make tasks like texting, browsing, and watching videos more convenient without the need to unfold the device. This change addresses user feedback, prioritizing functionality and ease of use. On the inside, the main foldable display is set to grow from 7.6 inches to a stunning 8 inches. This tablet-like screen promises an immersive experience, perfect for multitasking, gaming, or streaming your favorite content. Both screens will feature Samsung's advanced dynamic AMOLED 2X technology, offering vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. With peak brightness levels rumored to reach 2,600 nits, the displays will excel even in bright sunlight. These enhancements showcase Samsung's dedication to delivering a premium experience, ensuring that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 stands out as a leader in foldable design. Smarter software for a seamless experience. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 isn't just about cutting-edge hardware. It's also set to revolutionize the software experience. Running on Android 15 and Samsung's latest One UI 7, the device will introduce features that enhance productivity and user engagement. One of the standout software additions is the integration of AI-powered tools. These include content summarization, advanced grammar assistance, and call transcription, making the phone smarter and more helpful in daily tasks. Samsung is also introducing a redesigned navigation bar inspired by Apple's Dynamic Island, providing a sleek and intuitive way to manage notifications and multitasking. Customization remains a priority with One UI 7, offering users expanded options to personalize their devices. Returning features like Flex Mode and Samsung DeX further enhance the device's versatility. Flex Mode optimizes apps for partially folded usage, while Samsung DeX enables a desktop-like experience when connected to an external display. Together, these features emphasize the Galaxy Z Fold 7's focus on productivity and seamless user experiences. A camera setup that excels. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled with the Galaxy Z Fold 7's camera capabilities. The device is rumored to feature a powerful 200MP primary sensor, ensuring incredible detail and clarity in photos. Complementing this are ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, providing versatility for capturing everything from landscapes to close-up shots. The outer cover display will house a 10MP selfie camera, while the foldable screen includes a 4MP underdisplay camera. While the underdisplay option may slightly compromise sharpness, it contributes to a cleaner and more seamless design. With these upgrades, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 promises to deliver a photography and videography experience that rivals the best flagship smartphones on the market. All-day battery life. Despite its larger screens and enhanced features, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to maintain the same 4,400 mAh battery capacity as its predecessor. This may seem unchanged, but the Galaxy Z Fold 6 already offered impressive battery performance, lasting over 12 hours of web usage on a single charge. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is likely to uphold this reliability, ensuring all-day battery life for even the most demanding users. Charging options will remain consistent. with 25W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 4.5W reverse wireless charging. While these speeds aren't the fastest in the market, they are dependable and sufficient for most users. The reverse wireless feature is especially useful for charging accessories like earbuds on the go. Samsung's decision to retain these specifications reflects a balance between performance and durability, ensuring the battery can handle the demands of a foldable design. What makes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 stand out? The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just an upgrade. It's a statement of Samsung's vision for the future of smartphones. By addressing user feedback and incorporating the latest technological advancements, Samsung has crafted a device that sets a new benchmark for the industry. Here's what makes it stand out. Larger displays. The expanded screens offer enhanced usability and a more immersive experience. Smarter software, AI-powered tools, and a redesigned navigation bar improve functionality and efficiency. Advanced cameras. The 200MP primary sensor and versatile lenses cater to all photography needs. Reliable battery life. Consistent performance ensures the device can keep up with your lifestyle. As we look forward to its release in 2025, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is poised to redefine what a foldable smartphone can achieve. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a productivity seeker, or someone who values cutting-edge design, this device has something to offer. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology in the Future for more exciting content. See you in the next video.